Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about how to solve the F9 error code on a Whirlpool stove. But first, what does F9 mean? The F9 error code indicates that there is an electrical issue. The error code indicates incorrect wiring in the oven's connection, which often occurs during installation. This leads to the error code being displayed on your Whirlpool stove. The following are some of the common causes of the F9 error. Incorrectly wired outlets. It is possible that when your oven is being installed, the hard wire or home electrical supply gets wrongly wired. This is dangerous as it can lead to fires and other unexpected damages. The error code is likely to show on the control. Power outage. When there is a power outage, an incorrect amount of power supply line noise might be detected by the control as an incorrect voltage amount. This will lead to the error code being displayed on the control. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the F9 error. Inspect the wiring. Doing this can help you figure out whether the error is a result of incorrect wiring. Try the following. Turn off the oven. Contact a technician to come and confirm if the wiring is the problem and realign the connection correctly. Reset the Whirlpool stove. If you find out that the wiring was not the problem, try resetting the Whirlpool stove. To do this, unplug the oven. Wait for 1 minute before plugging the oven back to the power source. Leave the stove for 10 seconds as it loads properly before pressing any buttons. Monitor the stove and confirm that the error code has cleared. Thanks for watching.